Kamusta? Rage Dog, hello. Heart, hello. I'm good. I am good. Tagasan ka? Where are you from? Dito lang sa Manila. Sa Manila lang. Hi, me. Wala kang work ngayon? Or kakatapos pa lang? Late pa naman, nag-end pa naman ako kanina. Nagising pa ako ng 2:30. Wala naman palang pasok. Kapalsin. Chance, hello. Di tuloy ako naka 4-star agad. Hi, Chance. How are you? Hi, Pia. Insane, hello. Thank you, Chance. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Chance, where are you from? Dot, may WhatsApp ka. You have WhatsApp, Dot. You send your WhatsApp to me. Thank you, Chance. Sakit naman ng kamay. Nagbabalik ako. Kasi tinamad ako ng mga 5 days. Tinamad na ako. May pasok kasi. I'm silent. Hello. Only you, ha? How are you? I'm silent. Good morning. How are you doing? Randy, hello. Are you coming? I'm silent. Followed me ba? May WhatsApp ka, Dad. Thank you, I. Wow, thank you so much. You send your WhatsApp to me. I'm silent. If you have, I will message you there. I'm crazy. Hello. We are. Hello. Hi, Cole. Wait. Hi, Zabi. For a second. Hello. Mom, hello. How are you, Mom? I already messaged you. I'm silent. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yo, hello. Reb, hello. Beto. My favorite, hello. Sawi, hi. How are you, Sawi? Sawi. Tommy, hello. Blaze, hello. Hi, Loyal. Kimbo, how are you? Kimbo. Kimbo Sami, how are you doing? Mr. Rocker, hello. Edu, hello. MD, hi. Ready Bill, hi. Good morning. Hi, Bob. Bob, how are you? Satish, hello. Hi, Alvi. SK, hello. Hi, Jean. Good morning. Hi, Jean. What are you doing? How are you, Jean? Thank you, Pangit. Thank you so much. Eyeball, hello. Nice guy, hello. How are you, nice guy? Good morning. Nice guy, do you have WhatsApp? Send your WhatsApp to me. Sa inbox. Stram, hello. You send in the inbox. Morning. May WhatsApp ka ba? Send mo sa inbox message kita. Happy day, hello. Cute, hello. How are you, cute? Good morning, cute. Hi, King. Guys, you send your WhatsApp to me. I will message you. Norman, hello. Hi, Vaughn. Good morning. Nice guy. Send mo na yung sayo. Ron, hello.